How much leather do I need for my projects? For furniture projects, first, go to our reupholstery guide located under the leather buying guide on our site. You can even access the reupholstery guide from the convenience of your cell phone. Look for your furniture here, but something close will be just fine. The amount of leather you will need will be shown here in square feet, which is typically how leather is sold. You should also get an estimate from your upholsterer. If your upholsterer happens to give you an estimate in fabric yards instead of square feet, converting this to leather is super easy, and we even have a conversion calculator on our site. Simply type in your yardage estimate in the box, and our calculator will give you your estimate in square feet. For automotive projects, go to our auto page and navigate to the bottom of the screen to see our auto reupholstery guide. While every car is different, this simple guide can give you a good start on estimating your leather needs. Remember, if you're still not sure, just email or call and we'll be glad to help.